discussing about automatic master air start valve. Okay, we'll be discussing about automatic master air start valve. Usually here we are discussing about automatic master air start valve in a salsa. The use of automatic air start valve. So they mainly act as a stop valve which supplies and shut off main start air into the main start air lane. So they will act as a stop valve which will supply and shut off main start air in the main start air lane. They will act as a non-return valve so that they will prevent blowback of exhaust gas if the starting air valve is leaky. It will act as a air starting valve is a non-return valve so that they will prevent blowback of exhaust gas if a starting air valve is leaky. They will prevent flame by use of flame trap incorporated with it. So they will prevent flame so that there is a flame trap incorporated internally there is a flame trap incorporated in it, so they can prevent the flame. Then shut off starting air supply automatically if the engine is on fuel or when the engine is on stop. So they will shut off the starting air supply automatically. So that's why we say automatically they will shut off starting air supply if the engine is on fuel or when the engine is on stop. Okay, the use of automatic air start valve means they act as a stop valve. They will supply and shut off main air starting valve into a main air start lane. They act as a non-return valve which will prevent the blowback of exhaust gas if the starting air valve is leaky, and they will prevent flame by the use of flame trap incorporated with it. They will shut off the starting air supply automatically if the engine is on fuel or the engine is on stop. Here the picture of automatic start air valve. Okay, here we can see the starting air manifold. Here there is starting air controller, there air start signal, leaking air valve, test valve and all we can see. And here we can see the non-return valve and all, so that they will prevent the backflow or backflow of exhaust gas. During normal condition, engine is at stop, the valve spindle is screwed up into closed position. The valve spindle will be into closed position, holding the valve closed against it. The valve will be closed against the seat. Okay, normal condition, engine is at stop, then valve spindle will be screwed up and in a closed position and valve closed against it. When the engine is prepared for starting, the valve spindle is moved to automatic position. That means spring hold the valve shut. When the engine is prepared to starting, the valve spindle is moved into automatic position. That means spring holds the valve shut. When the starter valve at the air receiver is open, when the starting air valve at the air receiver is open, then the air enters the valve body. Here it is the starting air inlet. Then flows to the underside of the valve through a balancing force. When the starting air valve at the air receiver is opened, then air will slowly enter the valve body, then flows to the underside of the valve through a balancing force. So the air pressure on the underside of the valve prevents the valve opening. So air pressure on the underside of the valve, they will prevent the valve opening. When the air start signal is given, the control valve open and space under the valve will be vented. So okay, the air pressure acting on the top surface of the valve, they will overcome the spring force and valve will open. Okay, when an air start signal is given, then control valve will open and space under the valve will be vented. So the air pressure acting on the top surface of the valve, they will overcome the spring force and valve will open. Okay, when this air start signal is given, the control valve will open and space under the valve is vented. So the air pressure acting on the top surface of the valve overcomes the spring force and valve will open. And valve can be tested by opening the test valve in an emergency. It can be manually operated. During emergency, it can be tested by emergency so that we can operate it manually. And valve outlet incorporates a non-return valve like I mentioned, so that exhaust gas backflow will not be there. It is a non-return valve, and pressure gauge connection and manual venting valve are fitted to the valve body. So valve inlet outlet incorporates a non-return valve, a pressure gauge connection and a manual venting valve fitted to the valve body. Thank you.